Happy morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay students, in our last class we discussed about Mumbai. Yes, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Yes, and we discussed about interesting places in Mumbai and religious festivals in Mumbai. Yes students, today we are going to discuss about Kolkata. Yes students, we all studied about states and its capital in India, is it? Yes students, Kolkata is the capital of which state? Do you remember? Yes, very good. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Okay. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Yes, very good. And Kolkata is located on the banks of the river Hooghly. Okay, Kolkata is located on the banks of the river Hooghly. Okay, yes students, in 2021, the city's official name was changed from Calcutta to Kolkata. Okay, in 2001, the city's official name was changed from Calcutta to Kolkata. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. Students, the next is climate in Kolkata. Yes. The summer season in Kolkata is very hot and humid. However, during early summer, the city experiences certain dust storms called Kal Baisakhi. Okay, during early summer, the city experiences certain dust storm called Kal Baisakhi. Okay, yes, the winter season in Kolkata is usually short. Okay, all of you clear? Climate in Kolkata? Yes. Okay students, the next interesting places in Kolkata. Let's see some interesting places in Kolkata. Okay.
First one, Indian Museum. It is the largest and oldest museum in India. Next one, Victoria Memorial. It is a large marble building in Kolkata and it is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. The National Library. It is one of the India's leading public libraries. Next one, Academy of Fine Arts. It is one of the oldest fine arts societies in India and holds regular art exhibitions.
The next, transport in Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata is famous for different modes of public transport such as suburban, railway, metro railway, buses and trams. Buses and trams. In fact, Kolkata is the only city that still has a tram network. Okay, yes, Kolkata is famous for different modes of public transport. Okay, all of you clear? Transport in Kolkata? Yes. Next, languages, food and dresses in Kolkata. Yes, Bengali is the main language spoken in Kolkata. Okay, Bengali is the main language spoken in Kolkata and other languages such as Hindi, English and Urdu. Yes, the next, food in Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata is famous for sweets such as Rasagulla and Misti Doi. Here Misti Doi means sweet curd. Okay. Yes. Then yes, dresses in Kolkata. Traditionally men wear dhoti and kurta. Okay. Men wear dhoti and kurta. Women wear sari. Okay. Women wear sari. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. Next, celebrations in Kolkata. Durga Puja is one of the main religious festival in Kolkata. Okay, Durga Puja is one of the main religious festival in Kolkata. Yes, and they celebrated other festivals such as Deepavali, Eid and Christmas. Okay, all of you clear about Kolkata? Yes, students, we will see in our next class. Thank you. Okay, students, the next Chennai. Yes, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Yes, it is located on the Coromandel coast, and the city was earlier called Madras, and it was officially renamed Chennai in 1996. Okay, climate in Chennai. Yes, the Chennai experiences a hot and humid climate for most of the month. Okay, the months of May and June are usually hottest months of the year. Okay, the city gets most of its rainfall from northeast monsoon in October. Okay.
Interesting places in Chennai. First one, Marina Beach. Valluvar Kottam. Valluvar Kottam is a memorial to the Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar. Government Museum. Fort St. George. Crocodile Bank. Gindi National Park. Kalakshetra. Arinyar Anna Zoological Park. These are the interesting places in Chennai.
Okay, students, the next languages, food and dresses in Chennai. Yes, Tamil is the main language spoken in Chennai. Other languages are Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Urdu and English. Okay, then Chennai is famous for, yes, dosa, idli, vada and pongal. These dishes are usually eaten with coconut chutney and sambar. Then filter coffee is a favorite drink here. Then dresses in Chennai. Traditionally, women wear sari, men wear dhoti or lungi. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. Students, the next is celebrations in Chennai. Chennai celebrates various festivals such as Deepavali, Christmas, Eid and Pongal. Yes, we already know Pongal is the harvest festival. Okay, the next is cultural festivals such as the Chennai music and dance festivals are also popular here. Okay, that's next Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of our state. Yes, Kerala. Yes, the city lies on the Malabar coast, and the city's name was officially changed from Trivandrum to Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, in 1991. And climate in Thiruvananthapuram, it is one of the Indian cities to get rainfall from the southwest monsoon every year. Okay.
Interesting places in Thiruvananthapuram. First one, Anjudenga Kota. Thiruvananthapuram Observatory. Zoological Park. Kovalam Beach. These are the interesting places in Thiruvananthapuram.
Languages, food and dresses in Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, Malayalam is the main language spoken in Thiruvananthapuram. Then other languages are Hindi, English and Tamil. The next is food. The popular dishes here are appam, puttu, kappa and meen curry. Okay, the next is dresses in Thiruvananthapuram. Here traditionally men wear mundu and shirt, women wear sari. Culture in Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, Kerala has a rich cultural heritage.
Kalaripayattu.
One of the oldest fighting systems in existence. The next is Kathakali. Kathakali is a classical dance drama of Kerala. The next is Raja Ravi Verma, one of the greatest Indian painters, was from Trivandrum. Celebrations in Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, Onam. We already know Onam is the harvest festival. Here Onam is one of the most important festivals in Kerala, and Eid, Christmas and other festivals of India are also celebrated in Kerala. Okay, all of you clear? Okay students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.